Fair warning, this video has some shocking facts about plastic pollution and it might make you do this. Why? But don't worry, this video will end on a positive note, I swear. Plastic pollution is one of the biggest environmental problems of our age. Not only do we make enough plastic to circle around the entire Earth 4 times over every year, but hardly any of that gets recycled. Last year, we only recovered 5% of the plastic we made, and much of our thrown away plastic ends up in rivers, in oceans, in our fisheries, and in our food chain. And we are very close to having more plastic in our ocean than actual fish. And these bits of plastic float around our oceans for hundreds, if not thousands of years before they biodegrade. They get swept up in ocean currents and form massive islands in the middle of the ocean. Like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is less of a patch and more of a continent. It's twice the size of Texas. There, pieces of plastic outnumber fish 6 to 1. And before any of that degrades, it gets broken down into smaller and smaller pieces, gets eaten by fish, and ultimately by us. So what is plastic and why is it so bad for the environment? Now you have to remember that plastic comes in lots of different forms, from your crinkly crisp bag to your hard-wearing phone case. It's everywhere, and every single type of plastic is made in a slightly different way, but they are all made from long chains of molecules called polymers. I spoke a little bit about polymers in my slime making video, which you can watch after this by clicking the card right there. Plastic polymers are made by combining lots and lots of monomers. Get it? Poly means lots and mono means one, so we need lots of monomers to make polymers. And monomers are normally made from hydrocarbons, that's oil and gas. So since plastic is made from oil and oil is made from dinosaurs, does that mean plastic dinosaurs are made from ancient remnants of themselves? Well, technically yes, it is made from oil, which is not only a fossil fuel and energy intensive, but it actually takes a lot of energy to make it in the first place, which uses lots of water. So a 500ml bottle actually takes 6 times more water to make than it can actually hold. Okay, so thinking about all of this, not only does plastic litter our oceans, kill and choke our animals, enters our food chain, is absorbed into our bodies, it also contributes to climate change and adds to water stress. And we keep making and throwing away more and more of it. But don't start wallowing in misery just yet. I have done enough of that for all of us. Our addiction to plastic starts with us. I myself am trying to make those habitual changes that reduces my reliance on plastic. I carry my aluminium bottle everywhere and refill it from the tap. By the way, Scottish tap water is going to be better than anything you get out of a bottle. I try and carry my tote bags everywhere I go. I remember to ask for no straws as much as I remember to ask for no ice. I'm getting way better at that since I gave up straws in 2018. And I have reused my reusable coffee cup about 20 times since I bought it, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I don't really get coffee all that much. But more than that though, if you want ideas, there are so many plasticless living blogs that you can go to. Jump on Facebook, have a look, get some ideas, and tell me in the comment section what 3 ideas you are going to do to reduce your plastic in your life. And, drumroll please, the reason I made this video, data! Image processing, data, drones, artificial intelligence, the future! Wait, I'm babbling, let me actually get to the point. In the past year, the Marine Conservation Society of Scotland have been doing a massive campaign to photograph litter on our beaches. This helps us see where ocean plastic is accumulating, and then clever computer models can work out where that plastic has come from and help us tackle plastic at the source. Not only that, but because of all the data around it about which beaches are easy to access, which ones are not, which ones are in massive need of being cleared up and which ones aren't, it can help us coordinate volunteers to go out and get the beaches cleaned up. Britain's National Beach Cleaning Weekend is coming up in 2 weekends' time. That's the 15th to the 17th of September. Get online, see the details up in the card, and the details down below, and find an activity near you to go clean up our beaches. And if there isn't one near you, then organise one. Get your family out, get your friends out, go out onto the beaches and help stop that litter being swept back into our oceans. Please have a look in the description below and get out on it. So it's not all bad news. We have ways of being coordinated. We have smart ways to analyse data. And remember, every single action that turns into a habit makes a massive impact over your lifetime. So my question to you at home is, what 3 changes are you going to make to reduce your plastic intake at home? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Science with Steph. I am currently in the process of moving house, so I hope I can get a video to you next Friday. If not though, in the meantime you can watch my last video by clicking here. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share on all your social media. I'd hope you consider subscribing by clicking here. And if you want to be notified of every new video that I upload, then please hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks. See you next week. Bye!